Hello wonderful people, welcome to AKWAABA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make stir fry. Not just stir fry, chicken and vegetable stir fry. Come join me, let's do it together. Yalla! Dear friends, let's go through the ingredients we have for the chicken stir fry. Fine chopped garlic, fine chopped ginger, baby marrow, green pepper, onion, spring onion, coriander, and chopped green chili. We use sunflower oil, dark sauce, and just normal soy sauce with our salt and pepper. 400 grams of chicken breast. Remove the chicken when golden brown and set aside. Once again, I will set the stove to high heat. I'll wait for the pan to be very hot before I put in the vegetable. The pan has started smoking now. I'm going to go in first. Ooh. That's my favorite sound. Then we put in the ginger, garlic, and we give it a quick stir. The onions, garlic, and ginger. The carrots and the chili and the broccoli. Added the chicken, and the green pepper will be the next vegetable to come, and the spring onion and coriander will be the last one, so that we can maintain the green spring onion and the freshness of the coriander in our stir fry. So my favorite part now, the flavor is coming up from the combination of the vegetable and the chicken. again, we are the favorite part of the video. That is the tasting. But I don't like just tasting food, but I love tasting good food. And you can be my witness. This is good food. I will taste the smell from the soy sauce, from the ginger, garlic, chicken, vegetables, all combined together. You know, I can never get tired of good food. And as usual, I'll give you the honest feedback. I like the heat. It's not too spicy, but it tastes great. This is real good food. These ingredients are very simple. You can get it in any supermarket. Just go few dollars or few cedis or few BD. You get your ingredients. Try it at home and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.